Hey guys, Jason Geiman here with PressureWashHelp.com, and today I want to show you our setup that we use for our house washing setup. This will be the gun, the extensions, the nozzle tips, and the swivel. So here we have the Suttner 12-gallon a minute gun. We have a ball valve here for our gun. We have an 18-inch wand, and we have our JRod here. And this works really well. And the reason why we use a ball valve here is so that way when we hook up our hose and we want to turn the hose off, all we have to do is turn it off here. We don't have to go back to the machine and turn the machine off and then turn the machine back on just to change out something here. So whether we're doing surface cleaning or we need to change our tips for our guns, this works really awesome here for this right here for this ball valve. The Suttner Gun 12-gallon a minute, I really like these. It's a Suttner 2605. They work amazing. They work really good. They do go bad though. So, I mean, you're about $30-some a piece, so they do go bad. I do like the wand, or the straight piece here. You can do 12 inches, or this is actually an 18-inch. The good thing about this right here is when the water is coming in right here, and it's coming up through the gun, and it gets where it has to turn, and when we're going straight, this helps straighten out our flow. So this will help you get a little bit of distance up in the air. So when we're talking about 30, when we're flowing 8 gallons, 5 gallons, so if you got a 5-gallon a minute pump and you're flowing 5 gallons a minute, we want to straighten that flow, that stream back up, or 8 gallons. We want to straighten that stream back up so that way it will actually shoot further. When it comes out of here, it's kind of broken and it's going to get turned a little bit, and it's going to cause it not to straighten back up. So this is why we want to use this stream here. And then we have our JRod here, and this is our JRod setup. You use this 4 tips, and so what I do is, so this one here, the bottom one is a 25-20. See if I can zoom it in there enough. It's a 25-20. So that means that it is 25 degrees, and the 20 is how big the hole is. This will cause your downstreamer to turn the soap off automatically. So if you put this tip in, the soap will actually turn off. You don't have to go turn it off at the downstreamer. These other 3 will not turn the soap off. Most JRods come with the 25-20, and then they come with the 0-degree tip, and I don't like the 0-degree tip, and here's the reason why I don't like the 0-degree tip. The 0-degree tip, like this but with the small hole, will cause damage to a house if you're not careful. You can pencil that house by doing it. So the next one here we have is a 25-50, so that's a 25-degree 50. The next one here is a, let's see, it should be an 05-50, 05-60. And I really like this one. This is my favorite tip right here, this 05-60 or 05-50. Most houses, we can reach the whole house all the way from the ground to the gutter without worrying about taking oxidation off. And like I said, we can clean the gutter all the way up to the gutter, get soap all the way up there, and we don't have to worry about taking oxidation off when by the ground. And then the last one is just a straight stream. It should be a, let's see if I can get it zoomed in here. It should be a 50, 0050 or 0060. It's a 0060. So this is a 0060, and this will shoot 3 stories no problem, especially with our extension on there. It will shoot it no problem at all.